Hi Ling and Eric, happy wedding. Congratulations. Hinatunta nga magmalipayon mo sa inyong kaminyoon, uban sa inyo ang pagpuyo o pagpanginabuhi sa panarbaho, pagdagan mo mga anak. Nindot na nga babae, kaya ako mga apo, puro lalaki. God bless.
Blessing is a blessings. Ayun, congratulations po sa aking kapatid na si Hazel Galong at ang kanyang asawa na si Eric. Ayun, congratulations on your wedding day. Ayun, wish you a lifetime of laughter, love, and adventure. Ayun, congratulations, best wishes, and welcome to the club. Thank you. God bless.
Hi Ling and Eric, congratulations on your beautiful union. Eric, welcome to our family. May your love for each other grow deeper with each passing day. Please do cherish the little moments, support each other through challenges, communicate openly, and most importantly, put God always at the center of your relationship. Remember that marriage is not just about finding the right partner, but also being the right partner. So, cheers to a wonderful future ahead. Amping kanunay and congratulations.
Congratulations to the newlywed, a husband and wife. So as you begin this new chapter together, may your love story unfold with laughter, adventure, and joy. So may your bond grow stronger with each passing day, and may you always find comfort in each other's arms. Wishing you a lifetime of happiness, love, and togetherness. So once again, congratulations, dear sister and brother-in-law, to Eric. Welcome to the family, and I am very happy to have you as my brother-in-law. So please treat my sister with love, kindness, and most of all, respect. So once again, welcome to our family, and congratulations to the both of you. God bless. Enjoy.
Hi sa inyong lahat, especially my sister Hazel, Ling, and Eric. I wish both of you a happy married life and support one another at every stage of life. So may your band always be protected by God's eternal love. So congratulations to both of you, Ling and Eric. Love you both. Sana nag-enjoy yung dalawa. Kahit ano lang yung mga konting away. So kailangan mag-usapan.
Hello today, and also to the newest member of our family. I would like to congratulate both of you on your wedding day. May God will continue to bless you with love, understanding, and full of blessings and new opportunities in life. So I just pray and hope that both of you will continue to understand and love each other. And hope to see you soon, guys. And I hope that you're just going to celebrate and have fun on your wedding day. So once again, congratulations to both of you. Thank you for this opportunity to celebrate this video.
Hi, Pe. Congratulations on your wedding, Mr. Eric. May your journey together be filled with love, happiness.
Hi, Tita Ling o Tito Eric. Good evening. Congratulations to the both of you. May your marriage be blessed with endless love. Congratulations on your special day.
Hi Ling and Eric, congratulations to the beautiful couple. Wishing you wonderful journeys as you build your new life together. Congrats.
Hello, Leng. Ngapon. Ngap nga successful kayo ni imong plano nga kaninyo na. Daliwala sa itong mga problema, pero nagyan po'y success niya ya, o ang successful sa imong panag-iusa sa imong may mga husbandan. Naod ko nga magmalipayon ka karon o sa huli katapusan. So happy with it. I love you. Both of you.